Okay, and lastly, we're going to talk about how you're going to reflect on your research log. So you've inserted your link to your research log here, and you should be reflecting on your capacity to analyse and use sources. If you scroll back up to the Learning Journal assessment rubric, you'll see that your analysis and use of sources is assessed in 3 different areas. Firstly, your use of evidence. You need to ensure that you have correctly acknowledged your sources. If you do that consistently, you're at the A standard. Also, if you have used a range of historical sources, and for the A standard I'd be looking at 8 different sources. Now we need to talk about the extent to which you've used them. If you have independently identified and systematically organised the information from those sources, both primary and secondary, you are in the A band. If you have only identified and organised that information, then you're in the C band. Because of the way we've structured this inquiry, most of you are independent. However, the effectiveness of the information that you've been able to cite will determine whether you're in the A or B. Lastly, looking at your analysis and use of sources. These are the source analysis documents that you've put together. Evaluate yourself. To what extent have you effectively analysed the origin and the purpose of your source? Focus on the so what questions that you've asked yourself. And also focus on the extent to which you've been able to use that information to draw conclusions about their validity, reliability, and usefulness. That will determine whether you are in the A or the B standard. Again, questions, post me on Classroom.